Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on another topic of MS Word and Office packages that save as PDF. That is, as usual, 2007 Office Word has not added the features of save as PDF. You see here, it has no such type of features save as PDF, but add-ins is available in Microsoft, where we have to download these add-ins called save as PDF. I will show it here, and after installation of this save as PDF, it is available to save as PDF here. See how I will find it here. Type here is save as PDF, and you see Microsoft has launched it free add-ons with for Office Word. This is Office add-ins, and it will redirected the page of download. It is a small file where we have uh, easily we can easily download this. Here we go to download, click on download, and there are some this size is 934 KB only, so no thanks, continue to the installer page. So it will download the file. Yes, you see here it is almost completed. Now just I will execute this save as PDF and xps.exe. Yes, then it will automatically add it. Yes, I will execute it. Add it in the Word. So see here, the permission is yes. I accept this license. Okay. See, just a few minutes, a few seconds, not minutes, it will install. According to the resource, it takes a little bit more time, but the installation is complete here. Now I will open the Word, and you see here the difference of this page. Here this is Office button, and this is save as, and yes, see here this called PDF for XPS. That is, I am directly convert my document, Word document, to PDF. I can do it now. So how it is done, you see here how to convert PDF of this file. So suppose I will save as and click on PDF. It take the file name, yes, PDF1. Suppose this file name is PDF1, and here is just little difference. The option is standard publish, so I have to publish as PDF. That is, it will convert this Word document to PDF file. See here, I will click on PDF. So within a few seconds, it will convert to PDF file. According to the processor, it is taking a little while. Yes, it is done, almost done. Yes, it is done, because it is the .pdf is the extension of this file. That is, now it is a PDF file. So I save it location as desktop. It has been converted, so add a PDF. Yes, it is saved. The original file is here. This is document 1, and the converted file is here. this is PDF. So thank you guys for viewing this video. I think it is a little bit clear to you how to download this save as PDF and how this your Office Package 7 is going to work as a PDF converter. Thank you. And if it is liked by you, please click on the like button and subscribe for more videos. And this is the PDF file. Thank you.